Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ronald from Reinstall. I've done a video guide for replacing PTFE tubing on SV02 Bowden style dual extruder printer. People were asking for the same replacement guide for SV01 Titan style direct drive extruder printer, because there's a small length of PTFE tubing in the filament guide of the direct drive extruder. So today what we're gonna do is to take the extruder apart and replace that little bit of PTFE tubing. So here's what we need on hand before starting. A new PTFE tubing, a tube cutter, a sign cutter, a zip tie, and of course a ball and hex wrench that came with SV01. So that's it, let's go. Let's start with heating up the nozzle to unload the filament. Set the temperature to 200 Celsius degrees. Now the nozzle is reaching 200 degrees Celsius. Let's pull out the filament. So press the low lever, push a little bit more filament through the extruder and then pull out. Let's go ahead and cool down the nozzle. When it reaches to a safe temperature like 36 degrees Celsius, we can turn off the machine. So take this ball and hex wrench and remove these 3 screws. This one, this one, this one. Let's go. Set the fan shroud aside. Unsnap the cooling fan from the heatsink and set it aside. Remove the screws securing the cover of the extruder. Take the sign cutter, cut the zip tie, and you find there's a shorter screw under the wiring. Remove the cover of the extruder. Remove the spring loading assembly. Remove the filament load lever. Finally, remove the hot end with the filament guide. It might be a little bit hard to take out the old PTFE tubing, but you can use a towel to increase the friction. Take the old PTFE tubing and measure out the right length of the new one and cut it with a cutter. Insert the new PTFE tubing all the way to the nozzle. Bring back the filament guide and see if it aligns perfect with the new tubing. Adjust the filament guide and insert the heatsink into the extruder assembly. Reinstall the filament load lever. Reinstall the spring loading assembly. Bring back the cover of the extruder. Snap the cooling fan back onto the heatsink. Reinstall the hot end fan shroud using the 3 screws. Use a new zip tie, reattach the cable bundle to the X carriage. Use the cutter to trim the zip tie. Now let's go ahead and heat up the nozzle and fit filament. Push the filament through the extruder and see if the new PTFE tubing works perfect. Nice! There you go. Alright, that's all we have for today guys. If you'd like to hang out with us, we stream on YouTube and Facebook every Sunday 9:30 PM Eastern Time. We'll see you on Sunday night, okay? Until next time, this is Ronald from Reinstall. See ya!
We'll be right back. Bye.